Welcome back, guys. Today I've tapped the hole through here. I'm just gonna tap that as well. I don't really want to take a lot of videoing of doing this because it's straightforward, right? I'm just thinking, if I make this a bit longer than normal, as in tapping, I can adjust it later on because I might have to adjust the piston. But I heard somebody say that their piston knocks against the top of the engine. Well, I read that. So I'm going to be aware of that. Looks okay, guys. So I'm going to measure this first before I tap this side. You have to cut it, measure it. So guys, I made this, wasted a lot of time with this and this one, and it doesn't fit properly, and I've messed about a long time. So I'm thinking of trying a different method at the moment. It's just about fitting in one way, but it's not going to be any good if I'm going to really use it properly. So what I'm doing is another one there, but this time I'm just going to do it on the lathe. See how that works. That's mild steel, as far as I know. Hi guys, I thought I'd show you. For the first time I'm using this tool to put a shoulder up here. So I'm going to cut back and put a proper shoulder there. And it's the first time I'm using it. I'm really kind of proud of that. By the way guys, I learned something about this. Although this is not smooth, I learned something to keep it parallel. Before it was like tapering like this. Crazy. That's why I was really frustrated before. But now it's kind of straight but not smooth. I'll get over that problem another time. So there it is guys, I got a reasonably a good shoulder there. So there you go guys, I've done that edge there as well now. Hopefully that this will actually fit the piston. So I got to do the other end now. So here it is, guys. I've got to chop it off there somewhere. It's not, like I said, it's not smooth, it's a bit rough, but we can deal with it. And what I like about it is I got the shoulders right, so it'll fit in there and it kind of fits loose. I think it'll work, to be honest with you. But it's only going to let the steam in and that kind of thing, so yeah. Might lose a little bit of pressure there, but still, let's see what happens. That's good.